안녕하세요, 에리스 키친 친구분들. Merry Christmas! Today I want to share a simple yet tasty recipe that you can use for holiday parties with just a few ingredients. This Japanese-inspired food is called 오이맛살초밥 in Korean. Mix the vinegar, 식초, sugar, 설탕, and the salt, 소금 to season the rice. Prepare the freshly cooked short grain rice, 쌀밥, and add the seasoning mixture to the rice. Mix the rice gently. Then cover the rice and set it aside while preparing the rest of the ingredients. Next, shred the crab sticks, MatSal. To enhance the flavor of the crab sticks, finely chop the onion, 양파. Add the onion, the mayonnaise, and the yellow mustard, 연겨자 or Sriracha sauce. Today I will go with this Sriracha sauce. This crab stick salad is so tasty, you can eat it just as it is. Cut a seedless cucumber, 오이, into 8-inch long pieces. Then cut the cucumber into thin strips with a vegetable peeler. We will need 8 strips for this recipe. By now, the rice will have cooled down, so put some water on your hands so the rice will not get stick to your hands when you make the rice balls. Take about 1 tablespoon worth of the rice out and form the rice into about 2-inch long oval-shaped rice balls. Place 1 rice ball and wrap the cucumber strip tightly around the rice ball. Put the prepared crab stick salad generously on top of the rice in the remaining space. Finally, sprinkle a little black sesame seed on top for garnishing and nourishment. It is not only enjoyable for you to see these cute rice rolls, but it is also fun to make it. So please try someday. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.